Hey my friends, what is that beautiful animal? What is it? Is it a horse? But a horse cannot fly. So a flying horse with beautiful fur and a horn. I remember, it's a unicorn. Let me show you how to draw a unicorn today. Okay, we need a marker. To draw a beautiful unicorn, it is not that hard. Just follow me. First of all, we need a triangle. And that's the horn. And 3 lines inside. And then some fur. Looks like a cloud. Easy, right? Now let's draw the face. With the ear as well. And the nose. And the mouth. Don't forget the eyes. Aw, it's so cute. Next thing, we are going to draw a body and some more fur on the back. And the wing as well, because the unicorn can fly. Then the legs, a little bit more of the body, and the tail. Oh, the unicorn has 4 legs, so don't forget the other 2. Now, I am going to do all that again. Let's do it together. Almost done. That's a lot of work, right? A lot of details. But I think that's what makes our unicorn beautiful. Now I can't wait to color it. Let's get some blue and mix with a little bit of white to make a lighter blue that looks like the sky. And let's put that on the wings.
Yeah!
Perfect. Now the horn. Let's start with yellow. Cool, right? And then we can use the blue that we use for the wings. Okay, let's color the rest of the horn now. Fantastic! Next thing, we color the ear. Let's use a little bit of pink for the inside of the ear. Be careful. Don't get the color get to the other area. Oh, that looks cool. What next now? How about a cheek? Right here. That's right. Now let's mix some color. I would use some pink and a little bit of white. And then mix them well. Oh, this baby pink is so cute. Now let's put it on the unicorn's face. Oh look what I have, some glitter. I always enjoy using some glitter when I draw. Let's put it on the feet. And for the fur, let's use some wool for that. I have some pink wool here, so let's put it on so it looks like real fur. And of course, we need some glue to stick it on. After applying some glue, it's time for us to put the wool on. Make sure it is messy because then it looks furry, right? So cool, so furry, and so cute. Now let's apply some glitter on top so it looks shiny. Oh, I wish my hair can be that pink and can be that shiny. I hope you like the unicorn. I had a great time today, but it's time to go. So goodbye and see you next time.